You been a big girl?
Uh-huh. My name is Malaya and Messiah. Messiah is him. I'm Malaya as myself. Me and my brother love each other. I feed him and he's going to sleep. And I'm holding him. My mom let me hold him.
Okay.
Bye.
And what's your brother name?
Messiah.
What's his middle name?
Messiah Reed.
His name is Messiah what Reed?
Messiah
Gregory.
Gregory Reed.
And what's your name?
Melissa Reed.
And how old are you?
3.
4.
4. God, that was for say 4.
Look at your brother going to sleep.
Look at his
Lift him up.
Look at his greedy stuff.
Y'all see how greedy he is?
Yeah. We see he greedy.
Give him his bottom.
Greedy, good brother.
Oh, him not want no more.
Because he drunk on.
Uh-oh. You can't lean up. You gotta burp him. Oh, he burped on his own. Put him on your shoulder. Now pet his back. Pet his back.
I think he's still hungry, Mom.
You think he's still hungry?
Uh-huh.
What, he eating your arm?
No. He just eat my chest.
Say bye.